All straps removed.
Confirmed. Crane, begin lowering sequence slowly.
Roger.
Descent initiated.
All straps removed.
Confirmed. Crane, begin lowering sequence slowly.
Roger.
Descent initiated.
Ease the tension on the main harness ropes now.
Confirmed. Tension released. Proceeding with removal.
The specimen appears calm and healthy.
Proceed with the feather analysis. Check the layering on the secondary feathers.
Localized inflammation noted here on the dorsal feathers.
Acknowledged. Adjusting scan parameters for closer analysis.
Increase the spray volume on the next section. Copy that. Adjusting the nozzles now. Advanced technology and rigorous standards are applied at every stage, from initial inspection to final packaging.
Bring it back straight. Hold it there. Okay, lower it down. All right, bringing it in now. Hold it right there. Looks good. Clear.
Okay, center it right there. Easy now.
Forks are clear. Next pallet is ready to go.